Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to another video. A 1997 Honda CR-V. I'm thinking of buying this for a project car. I did a full checkout on this vehicle, and I'll put a link to that below in the description. But today I wanted to show you what I found with the door locks. So the door locks were intermittent and doing some crazy things. I want to show you exactly what I found. So the door locks are pretty much intermittent. So let me show you what they do. So passenger side, nothing. So the driver door, and they all work. Sometimes the driver's door doesn't work and the passenger door works. Now, because the door locks are intermittent, I'm not going to start by checking fuses. I see there's an alarm on here, and alarms usually control door locks. The alarm isn't being used, and I need to take that out anyway at some point. So it just makes sense to go ahead and remove the alarm and see if that's causing my door lock issue. So right away, I can see there's a relay here. There's a bunch of wires, and they're not in there professionally. They're just kind of chopped into the wiring, so that could cause problems. And then the electrical alarm module, that can cause problems. So we're going to remove this and see if our door locks actually work. Now, removing the alarm did fix the door locks, but I did not buy that vehicle, and I wasn't able to show you the alarm removal and the repair because they took the vehicle before I was able to film it again. Unfortunately, I'm still looking for a project vehicle, but my point is, if something is intermittent and it doesn't make sense, remove that alarm module. If you need to know how to remove an alarm module, I did this on my Civic and my Honda Element, and I'll link those two videos in the description. I hope you learned something in this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.